What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to show y'all a little different video today. But basically covering the Infinity Processing System, and I've been with this system for about 4 months now, and it served me very well, and when you looking for a way to market on social media, such as Facebook mostly, and Instagram, and all different types of other platforms such as Craigslist, this gives you a complete blueprint on how to market your business, to market any opportunity that you have. And this also gives you the ability to brand yourself. And so that's what the Infinity Processing System teaches. So what I want to go over today is TikTok marketing. Now, TikTok is pretty much, now it is a big platform now, as far as social media, and many people doing TikTok videos to market their business. So, I recently started doing TikTok videos, to market my opportunity. And as I can see that it's growing very fast. Unlike most social media platforms, it takes time to really actually grow it. And that's not to say that it doesn't work, you just have to grow it. So I want to show you here in the back office of here where, the TikTok, showing you the ability, what you can do with your business with it. And Infinity Process System got these videos where they cover how to start up a TikTok channel, and showing you how to brand yourself, giving you a niche. You want to have a niche when you get into this. So just like any other platform. So they give you a lot of bonus training, show you how to use hashtags, show you how to create certain content. And this is very ordeal. And I like the quality of the videos as well, like the effects and everything. This is one of my channels right here. As you can see how many people had actually viewed my videos. And this is something that I started. I do have like 2 other accounts, but as you can see, this is my first video that I made, and I had about 510 views. So just imagine you getting all these videos. If you make these videos on a daily basis, your view count will increase, and you never know. Your views also, your videos can also go viral, because a lot of people got short attention spans. So like things like this and YouTube Shorts, a lot of people love watching these because it's straight to the point. It's very quick information. So this is very helpful for your business. And what you can do is you can use your Infinity Processing System and implement it inside of TikTok. And all you got to do is tell people that, hey, go to my link in the bio, and you're going to have your link in the bio where they can click on it. And once they click on it, it goes right directly to your opportunity. So that's very powerful, just to have that feature, and just to put it on a new platform that can really get you out there and give you targeted reach. Because once you use those different types of hashtag of affiliate marketing, make money online, and etc., things of that, you're going to be able to target people who's looking to work online, people who's looking to work towards their goals, to leave their 9 to 5. You're going to be able to have that. And TikTok is blowing up. It's got millions of users over the past few years. So yeah, this opportunity is very powerful. I said I love it. I'm still steady making more content. This is where it gets started. This is where social media gets at its best. So like I said, once again, if you want to get started with Infinity Processing System, I can show you some strategies that I use to get your marketing off the ground, so you succeed. If you have any questions or concerns, leave your comments in the description, well, in the comment section below. And also hit that like and subscribe button for more videos. You can be notified of more videos, tips and tricks that I can show you to market your business and to really brand yourself. Alright, well, that's it for today. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.